health services around the world. In big countries, it can be difficult to get medical care to people living in isolated areas. In Australia, they have the problem of providing healthcare to people of the Australian outback. The Royal Flying Doctors Service of Australia, or RFDSA for short, started in 1928. Today, it offers healthcare from an aeroplane 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The doctors are ready at any time to fly out to remote farms and communities to treat patients, sometimes with only basic equipment. Also, they often have to fly patients to the nearest hospital. The brave doctors of the RFDSA save hundreds of lives every year. Living in the remote communities of northern Kazakhstan means almost complete isolation for many people. Villages are hundreds of kilometers away from a city. The Health Train program started in 2011 just for these people. Now, 3 specially designed trains travel around northern Kazakhstan, providing medical care to people living out on the steppe. This program has changed the lives of many people living in rural Kazakhstan. Do you know other places with special health services? Are they like the flying doctors or health trains?